Okay. I have gotten quite a few requests to review the Skinceuticals CE Ferulic Vitamin C Serum. I held off on it. However, I'm finally going to review it. So come on, let's hear it. This video is being sponsored by skinstore.com. #ad. But hold on. So this is a part of the skinstore.com Expert's Choice campaign. Skinceuticals CE Ferulic acid is one of their best sellers and is the winner of the serum category. So what is so great about this serum that it actually has a US patent on this formulation? So why is this such a highly regarded product and top seller? I mean, this is 1 fluid ounce and it sells for $166. So if you turn around the back, with their ingredients right here, it's 12 ingredients. So that breaks down to $13.83 per ingredient. Basically, this is just a blend of water, L-ascorbic acid, solvents, in here. It does have provitamin B5, which is panthenol. It's a humectant and a emollient. And it also has Laura 1223, which is a solvent, and tocopherol, vitamin E, that's fat soluble, and then triethylamine. So try saying that 3 times fast. The ascorbic acid, as you know, is 15% L-ascorbic acid, 1% alpha tocopherol, and 0.5% ferulic acid. And ferulic acid basically is to help keep the vitamin C more stable and to be able to be absorbed better. So vitamin C, for those of you who don't know, is highly oxidative. It breaks down very quickly when exposed to heat, light, and air. So this serum claims that it keeps working for up to 72 hours. Really? Let's see. It says that it actually can reduce oxidative damage for up to 41% due to ozone, diesel fuel, and other environmental pollutants. So I don't know for sure. As you can see, I just opened it. I haven't tried it yet. So I'm going to do a part 2 of this, and I'm going to actually compare this with another product to see how well it works. So I'm going to take you onto the Skin Store website, and I'm actually going to tell you if you have normal to dry skin, what you should use, or normal to oily. So first of all, if you have sensitive skin, if you tend to be reactive, then I showed another product, and that was a vitamin C serum that is less reactive. This one is L-ascorbic acid. So this is actually the vitamin C and not a vitamin C derivative. So if you cannot use or you've reacted before to L-ascorbic acid, then that one is the hydropeptide review. This one is for the Skinceuticals L-ascorbic acid. So I'm going to show you on the website if you have normal to dry, what is best, if you have normal to oily, and how to use it. If you have normal to dry skin, then you want to try this, you can try the Skinceuticals CE Ferulic with 15% L-ascorbic acid serum. If you have normal to oily skin, so because normal can use both of them, you want to use the one that has the, let me see if I can find it on here. GLutathione Skinceuticals GLutathione CF with ferulic acid vitamin C serum. So that would be for normal to oily skin. You want to use this only in the morning, not both day and night, because your skin can develop an irritation to it. So only once a day, and you would put the sunscreen on top. Now, as you can see, I have not opened it or tried it. So we're going to do a later video so you can see the results of this. And if you want to try this, you can get a discount code. It will be in the description below. And you can also get a free gift with the purchase. Okay, so we're going back to that pH thing. So if you're using anything that has ferulic acid, it is not recommended to use leave-on exfoliants such as glycolic acid, lactic acid, or any of the AHA acids. It'll affect the pH. So what you want to do is, if you want to exfoliate your skin, yes, you can exfoliate with the AHAs, but make sure that you rinse that off and then use that. Okay, so as you can see, I haven't used this yet, and again, it'll be in the, I'll do another video for an update on this. And if your skin is, you can't tolerate L-ascorbic acid, then make sure you check out this video here for the review on the one that is more gentler to the skin as a vitamin C derivative. So if you want to try the Skinceuticals CE Ferulic acid, the link is in the description below for the website link, and you get a free gift with purchase. So remember, makeup is an art and skincare is a science.